So tonight we're going to have our broccoli casserole with dinner. So I thought I'd give you the recipe. This is about 10 ounces of frozen broccoli, thawed, can of cream of mushroom, can of cream of chicken, and a box of stuffing. This is herb flavored. And a stick of softened butter. Melted butter and the stuffing, mix it together. You can nuke the butter and make it a little softer if you need to, but cream all that together. Preheat your oven at 350. Add the cream of chicken soup and the cream of mushroom soup and mix. Add the thawed frozen broccoli. Mix it all up and put it in a casserole pan. Put it in the oven, preheated oven at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Casserole is done, along with some delicious ribs. Off the bone. Let's eat. Well, it must have been good.